Students, today we are going to see about some important topic in our maths 10th standard syllabus. Okay, first today's concept is we are going to prove that root 2 is irrational numbers. Okay, irrational and rational, that you should know first. Rational means we can write in the form of p by q, and irrational means we cannot write in the form of p by q. So now we are starting by assuming root 2 is rational. We are going to assume that root 2 is rational, and we are going to proceed something, and finally there will be some contradiction because of our some wrong assumption. Okay, that is our main concept. Okay, so now start with assuming root 2 is rational numbers. Root 2 is rational. Rational means we can write in the form of a by b, any integers, but in this case we are going to take a and b are co-prime numbers. So afterwards there will be some contradiction of co-prime. Okay, about co-prime we will get some contradiction. Okay, so now itself we can start. Co-prime. What is co-prime? There is no common factor of a and b except 1. So that is definition of co-prime numbers. There is no common factor of a and b except 1. Like that we are assuming. Now if we are cross multiplying b into root 2, b root 2 is equal to a. Next step is we are squaring on both sides. So root 2b, we are squaring means root 2 will become 2, b will become b square, a will become a square. After squaring, we are getting 2b square is equal to a square. This one we can take it as equation number 1. Okay, now we are going to apply that theorem 1.3. Just I am recalling that theorem 1.3 is if p is a prime number, if p divides a square means p will divide a also. That is our theorem 1.3. You can check in your NCERT book. So 2 is a prime number. 2 divides a square means 2 divides a also. That is theorem 1.3. Just we are applying. So this is, we can take it as theorem 1.2 divides a square implies that 2 divides a. Okay. A equal to 2c. Why? Because of 2 divides a means a is multiple of 2. Correct? 2 divides a. So we can take it as a is the multiple of 2. So where c is some integer. So that we can take it as equation number 3. This equation number 3 we can apply in that equation number 1. So here 2b square equal to a square. No, instead of a we are applying 2c. So 2b square is equal to 4c square. Now in this step we are dividing both numbers, both side of the equation symbol is we have 2. So we are dividing by 2. We are getting b square is equal to 2c square. Now again it is b square is multiple of 2. So 2 divides b square. Again 2 is a prime number. Just applying theorem 1.3. It divides b also. 2 divides b also. See now, check equation number 2 and 4. What is equation number 2? 2 divides a. What is equation number 4? 2 divides b. What is our co-prime means? There is no common factor except 1. That is our starting point. We have taken root 2 equal to a by b. So where a and b are co-prime numbers. But what we are getting now from 2 and 4, there is a common factor. 2 divides a means 2 is the factor of a. 2 divides b means 2 is the factor of b. So 2 is the common factor of a and b. Okay. So from 2 and 4 we can conclude that 2 is the common factor of a and b. So what is our starting point? Co-prime number. A and b are co-prime number. A and b are co-prime means what is that? There is no other common factor except 1. But here we are applying theorem 1.3 means we are getting a 2 is a common factor of a and b. So there is a contradiction. Okay, but here what is that? Common factor of a and b is 2 now, but it contradicts the fact that a and b are co-prime. Okay, why this contradiction happened? this contradiction has arisen because of our incorrect assumption. What is our incorrect assumption starting point? Assume root 2 is rational. No, that is our incorrect assumption. Okay, so from that itself, incorrect assumption is root 2 is rational. So what is our correct assumption? Root 2 is irrational. So now we have proved that root 2 is irrational. Correct? Once again I am repeating, like we have started from root 2 is rational and a by b co-prime number. We are applied and proceeding means we have, it is going to be 2 is a common factor of a and b. That is the contradiction to co-prime numbers. So because of our wrong assumption, our incorrect assumption, root 2 is rational, this contradiction arisen. So which is correct? Root 2 is irrational. Okay, I hope you all get my idea. Whether it is useful to you means give comment, give like, and subscribe my YouTube channel CBSE Maths. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you for watching.